Hello everyone and welcome to my channel of all things makeup. How are we today? I thought to do something a little different with today's video and I've created a get ready with me. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to keep up to date with me. Also, I totally forgot to record an intro video for this, so here are some images of the look we're going to create today. Alright, let's get to it. So I'm going to first start by clipping my hair back, and I'm going to be using the Bedhead TIGI After Party hair serum. This is to smooth out all my hair and to get it silky and soft before I curl it. And once the hair is warm enough, I like to take it out but then hold on to that curl and really squeeze it till it cools down, and then slowly let go so it holds on to that shape and curl. And once each section is done, I spray it with my Got To Be Glued hairspray. Once all the curls are done, I'm going to clip my hair back, ready for my makeup. First I'm going to spritz my face with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in the lavender scent. Love this one. I'm also using the Revolution Define and Conceal Concealer. And I thought to put 2 layers of this on, just to get a really nice coverage. This will really help the colours pop now that I've got that blank canvas on underneath. I'm going to use the Kryolan Aqua Blue Gel Liner. Now I'm just patting it on and creating that shape that I want. And then I'm going to go in with one of my Revolution palettes and set that cream in a similar blue eyeshadow. I'm going in with another Revolution palette. You can kind of tell that I like the brand. Now this is with darker, deeper tones, and I'm going to concentrate on the outer eye area, just to contour and add depth in this area. You might notice that my eye makeup matches my hair just a little bit. And I'm going in with the Sleek palette to add a lovely bright inner corner highlight. With the wipe, I'm going to create the angle and direction I want my eyeshadow to go in, so later on, once I've done my face makeup, I can buff it out and soften it, but still keep that shape. Now this is a Sleek Illuminator. We've got to really rub it in, get it everywhere. Now once that's all rubbed in, I'm going to use my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. Now I'm going back in with my concealer. You will notice that my mouth is open a lot of the time, or my eyes are doing their own thing. Yeah, it's not the greatest look when I'm doing makeup. And this is my favourite foundation at the minute, if you couldn't tell already. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. And it literally does what it says on the tin. It is gorgeous. Now I'm going in with a contour stick, and then I'll just gently buff and blend it into the foundation. Now I'm going to set my face with the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder in light. Go in with the contour and the highlight. I absolutely love this highlight and contour palette. It, again, is gorgeous. Oh, just look at that sparkling glow. I don't think my camera does it justice. It really doesn't. My Revolution Pro Lan London palette. I'm going to use the blush out of the palette, and I really just want to press it on my cheekbones and up, and this will help to bring like a lifting effect. And now what I've done on the top of my eyes, I'm going to continue for under my eyes. And as I said earlier, I'm just going to buff out that line a little bit, but still keep that angle and direction, just buffing it out so it's not so sharp. Next I'm going to use my L'Oreal Magnetic Eyeliner. This is waterproof and is brilliant for your waterline. I'm going to use the liquid eyeliner from Stila. This is waterproof and is absolutely gorgeous. My eyes water so much and this does not budge. I also have hooded eyes, so I like to go down in a little angle and then up, like as if I'm just putting a little tick next to the edge of my eye, and then I connect it back. Apologies for my face, this is my concentration face. I do look confused, but I do know what I'm doing. I'm just trimming the eyelashes, and then what I'm doing is I'm placing them in an eyelash curler. I'm just pressing a little bit, make them a bit more fluffy and lifted. I'm using the Duo brush on adhesive, and I like to apply it on my eyelid when I'm going to apply the eyelashes, and then also on the lash band. I'm going to let that get a bit tacky and then just pop those lashes on. For mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This has been one of my favourites for years. This will help my lashes and the false lashes mix together and also fill in any gaps. Now I'm going in with a brow pomade. Then I'm going to use the NYX Brow Gel. This is amazing, just keeps your brows in place all day. Then I'm using my ultimate favourite lip liner and lipstick. They are both from L'Oreal and listed down below. So line the lips first and then apply the liquid lipstick. This lipstick is gorgeous, it stays on all day, you can eat, you can drink, and it'll still be there. These are my go-to favourites for lipstick, and I even have them in my kit. Now that the makeup is all done, it is time to brush out my hair. It is really bouncy, especially that fringe. And just let me move everything into place. And this is the final hair and makeup look. Now cue my very fancy jump in transition. I did not have to do this a billion times. I absolutely love this top and this skirt, where you get some pleated skirts and they're just flat and it's just bleh. No, this one has shape. And I absolutely love my butterfly sleeves. They are so cute. It is my choker. It was a garter, but it wouldn't fit around my thighs. Rings are from Accessorize. Bag is from Primark. Jimmy Choo perfume. Now we are off for a lovely meal in Nicola's in Liverpool. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like me to do more, just let me know.